Hello to you and welcome to my ID.3. My name is Frode and today I'm going to try to assemble the bike holder or the bike rack for the car, which we got, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago, maybe more, I can't remember. It's been laying in our storage room. It's been cold, have had no use to get any bikes on it, so why do it? Now we're in the, it's Saturday, it's nice weather outside, and my wife had to leave her bike at her workplace on Thursday because of the weather. It was such bad weather, so I drove and picked it up. So now I'm going to try to assemble the thing and see if we can maybe get the bike tomorrow. I have to go and do some errands before that. So let's see if I can do this. Of course I can do it, but it's warm outside now. But yeah, you didn't see that. But down there in the garage, it's cold. So let's see if we can do this. Okay, let's go. Oh my, that's dirty. I have to wash this car as well. And with cat tracks. And throw some metal away. Okay guys, you're about to see me do something not stupid, but not well thought out. I struggled with the manual in the beginning of this video, and I don't like manuals. If I can't just make things happen right away, I don't read them. And the manual for this bike carrier it's confusing. It's a lot of details and it's not easily explained, I have to say. I lost my patience and just did it, and it worked fine. I do have to say that you will see in the last clip of the video that when I'm driving out, you can see one of the lights on the carrier doesn't work. The brake lights does work, but not the indicator that the headlights are working. I got a message in the display about this, and I could see it on the video afterwards. So I don't know if I haven't just like pushed the cable and attached it as good as I should. So I have to check that later. But you will see that it doesn't work on the left side. Okay, go watch the idiot now. Let's get this thing out of the car. It's a big thing. Okay. A thick instruction book, control number, bag. A small thing, not so much. It looks complicated, but is it? I don't know. I think we'll have to look at this. So the cat really likes boxes. So she jumped from there into there. Is it fun? Yeah? Is it fun? Yeah? Yeah? Yes. How are you going to get up? You've thought about that? No. Okay, you can get out. Here it says, now this is it's so difficult to understand this. Maximum payload from a D figure for drawbar value of minimum 50 kilos, 36 approximately. This is just for a normal human being to understand this. It's completely bullcrap, and it's I really get and it's not one English part and then one Polish part and then one French part. It's the part of each from assembling the carrier is in one part with different languages, and then how to fit the bikes in several languages. Who does that? Okay, unfold rear lights and push them downwards into their end position. If the vehicle is wider than 1.91 meters, maximum vehicle without exterior mirrors, the rear lights must... Am I the only person that thinks this is so boring? Why can't it just work? You regular viewers and subscribers, you know I'm not that fond of reading the instruction book. I just want to go out and play. And I probably will need a license plate, extra license plate. I knew that, but nobody told me, or I reckon that would be the case, but nobody told me. I'm going to attach the transport hitch to the car, and let's see if we can do this. Let's see if we can remember this. Smacks in place, push that in, and take the key out. And now we can secure it here. So now, okay, this is brutal stuff. Key out. We'll drive down into the garage and see if we can fit a bike on it. So this bike is around 30 kilos with the battery, with this extra bag on it, with the seat. So let's strip it off and see if it weighs a little bit less. I should know how much it weighs, but I didn't care to double check. And now, let's see. It's just a bag weight. A lot less. I think about 22 kilos. Okay, this is not scientific. Let's see if we can get the bike on it, on the bike carrier. You really should be two persons doing this. I'll tell you. And then I probably forgot something here. That was kind of a rough, a steep learning curve, I have to admit, because I did not want to read the instruction book because I'm an idiot, and you should always read the instruction book before you do something like this. Reversing with that thing on the back, it's not that easy, or as easy. Looked fine. I think it's pretty good solution. It's the carrier has a bag, you can store it pretty easily, and but it's quite heavy and bulky. So if you don't have a lot of room in your storage room, it will take quite some volume, but not like crazy. Yeah, is this worth like 1,000 euros? Yeah, if you use your bikes often outside of where you live, just to use it a couple of times a year, maybe not. We got it because we could buy it somewhat cheaper when we got the car, so we just thought, oh, that's a good thing to have. We'll have a bike carrier for this car and for the next car. I'm not selling this with the car eventually. No. I will keep this because it's very smart. The car instantly recognizes the bike carrier and knows that it has the thing installed. If you like that and you want to subscribe, thank you for watching, and maybe I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you, Snakkes.